Dennis got quite familiar with this farm. You know, he spent a lot of summers here, and even when my father was alive, and he hadn't come this close to cattle ever in his entire life, you know, growing up in Chicago. But I remember my father inviting him out here one day to stand in one of the gaps up there while he was bringing, you know, these yearlings down from the hill. And God, they came racing at full speed, and Dennis was like just terrified, really. He thought they were like coming for him, you know, so he was ducking and dodging, and eventually he just, like, the cattle were coming this way, and then he went this way, and then he toppled over, you know. And so he used an American kind of football term, I think. He says, they faked me, you know, the cattle, you know, so. Then he would like have his tracksuit and he would go jogging and stuff, and that was at a point before people here had heard of the word jogging, and recreational exercise didn't exist in rural Ireland, you know, because there was loads of exercise in just living here, you know, so the idea that you'd have to do something to be fit just seemed very strange at the time, you know, but not for Dennis.
I think he found it very strange that he might walk down the road and there could be a bull facing him, or a cow, or a sheep, or whatever. That was a bit random. He used to go jogging, which we found hilarious around here, with his headphones. Yeah, so, yeah, and he met some neighbours, and I remember one conversation, he came back and he said, I met some strange guy. And he said to me, what time's the funeral tonight? He says, to Dennis. Dennis is going, oh, I'm not sure.